Looking for a great workout without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best cheap exercise bikes on the market that deliver premium performance at budget-friendly prices. From sleek designs to smooth rides, we've got options perfect for your fitness goals, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cyclist. Let's find your perfect match and start pedaling towards your best self. Number 1. Bowflex VeloCore Bike. Bowflex's VeloCore bike is packed with advanced features and tracking metrics, making it a standout choice if you're looking for a comprehensive workout experience. During testing, we were impressed by its smooth magnetic resistance, which provided a quiet and consistent ride. Its fully adjustable seat and dual-sided pedals allow a customized experience, accommodating various user sizes and shoe types. We also tested the 22-inch option and were just as impressed. We especially liked its adjustability and wide range of available classes, although the app requires a paid subscription to access most of them. What sets this bike apart is its unique leaning mode, which simulates the side-to-side movement of real outdoor cycling. We found this requires us to engage our core muscles, some of the main muscles trained during cycling, and get an even better workout. Plus, its large, high-definition touchscreen display offers various interactive workout programs, keeping us motivated and entertained. Number 2. Merach S26 Exercise Bike. Merach's S26 exercise bike stands out for its smooth, silent ride and budget-friendly price. Its overall lightweight design makes it easy to set up. And once assembled, its compact size fits really well, even in small apartment spaces. Despite being more compact than other options we tested, this bike remains remarkably sturdy. During test rides, we particularly appreciated its ergonomic handles, which offer a cushioned, comfortable grip even during long sessions. Its magnetic resistance system provides a smooth experience at all intensities. Despite its budget-friendly price, this bike delivers dependable performance, and we think it's an excellent entry-level option. Number 3. Peloton Bike Plus Essentials. If you're in the market for an indoor cycling bike, you've probably considered a Peloton model, but are they worth the cost? After testing, we think so, thanks to their reliable stability, innovative features, thousands of versatile workouts, and so much more. Peloton's Bike Plus Essentials arrives fully assembled and comes with high-quality dumbbells and a yoga mat, so you're ready to get a full-body workout right away. Its large, rotating touchscreen display provides many helpful metrics in real time, and it integrates seamlessly with Peloton's extensive library of live and on-demand classes. We also love that the membership unlocks access to personalized metrics tracking, allowing users to monitor their progress over time. Other standout features include accessible in-class metrics, auto resistance, and connectivity with Apple Music and Spotify. Number 4. Horizon 7 IC Indoor Cycle. Horizon Fitness 7.0 IC Indoor Cycle Bike stands out for its exceptional value, offering various easy-to-adjust resistance levels that cater to different fitness levels, and its compact footprint fits easily in our small spaces. We think it's particularly great for beginner cyclists or people who are more casual, yet still intentional about their workouts, since it's basic but exceptionally stable. When it arrived, we found it easy to assemble, and we could start cycling right away. During test rides, we noticed that the bike's sturdy build and smooth operation provide a reliable and enjoyable workout experience. An ergonomically placed phone holder let us follow online cycling classes, stream our favorite shows, and even read emails while pedaling. We also love that 2 bottle cages give easy access to hydration. Number 5. Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike. This budget-priced, belt-driven bike operates a 35-pound flywheel that provides a smooth and quiet ride. The resistance is adjustable via a knob, regardless of pedaling speed. It also has an emergency brake that stops the flywheel immediately if necessary. According to Yosuda, the seat height adjusts to fit riders with inseams from 25 to 35 inches and allows riders to adjust the handlebar height as well as the fore-aft alignment of the padded saddle. Using the single-button monitor, You can scroll through your time, speed, distance, and calories burned as you exercise. Just below the monitor is a platform for a phone or tablet. The heavy-duty steel frame is designed to provide stability and durability, but it's easy to move if you tip it up onto the small wheels on the front edge. Number 6. Echelon EX-15. If at-home spin class vibes are what you're after, then Echelon might be the cheap exercise bike for you. The platform is similar to Peloton in that one of the biggest selling points is the proprietary classes you can stream with membership, $399.99 billed annually. In addition to cycling sessions, an Echelon subscription offers rowing, running, HIIT, kickboxing, strength training, yoga, and Pilates. Workouts are to music by familiar artists like Pitbull, Old Dominion, Lady Gaga, and Daddy Yankee. With this purchase from Amazon, you get a free 30-day membership so you can check it out before committing. The EX-15 bike itself is sized perfectly for smaller spaces. Number 7. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Bike. If you find the time passes more slowly with your data displayed right in your face, consider a monitorless model like this Sunny Health and Fitness exercise bike. With a heavy steel frame that supports riders weighing up to 275 pounds, the bike features a belt-driven 49-pound flywheel that has resistance that's adjustable by a knob mounted on the top tube. The belt drive system is quieter than a chain, requires less maintenance, and is more resistant to corrosion from sweat than a traditional chain. The nearly 20-pound difference in flywheel weight between this bike and the Yosuda above creates more inertia and is meant to increase real-world ride feel and a smoother pedal stroke. An emergency brake allows you to stop the pedals quickly, and pedal cages help keep your sneakers on the platforms for safety and efficient power output. The handlebar and seat adjust up and down, and you can position the seat more forward or back to your liking.